Hello guys, welcome to codingTpoint, and today I'm going to show you the complete installation process of JDK8 on your system. I'm going to show you also how to set the part, how to set it temporary and permanently. Okay, so just stay connected because we'll do everything over here. Okay, so first of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. Just open your Google Chrome. Open your Google. Then write JDK8. Since Java is a product of Oracle, you're gonna see www.oracle.com Java SE Development Kit 8. You just click on it and then accept the license. And you're gonna see so many options available over here. It just depends on the operating system that you're using. If you're using Windows 64-bit, you choose this one. If you're using Windows 86-bit, you use this one. If you're using Mac, you choose this one. If it's Linux, you choose this one. So after choosing, just click and the downloading process will start. The downloading process will start and you just have to wait till it complete. When it's done, you will see it appearing. You will see at the bottom I mean at the bottom near your Windows key, or I would say like that. You will see it over there. You just click in order to get the setup, and once you click over there, in my case I have the setup here. I'm going to show you. I have the setup. Yeah, this is the setup. Now we are about to start the installation process. That was the downloading process, so we're about to start the installation process. So just double click. Yes, yes, I can let me put here. You see preparing to install. Okay, now next you choose development kit. Next, you just have to wait. Extracting installer, you just have to wait. Yeah, it's just a matter of waiting sometimes. Okay, now next, yeah, you will see this appearing and you just have to wait also. Yeah, it's still installing. Yeah, done. So if you press next step, it will be you're gonna access tutorials, IP documentary, but I don't need it now. So as you see, successfully installed. I close it. Now when you open your file explorer, you go to your program files, there is a folder Java that will appear, and you just click on JDK bin. You'd see you copy this, you copy, let's paste it here for some times. So as you see, we have installed our JDK, but there's one problem. If you open your command prompt and you write Java C version, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or batch file. That means the path has not been set. So I'm going to show you how to set the path temporary and permanently. So let me tell you first of all how to set the path temporary. So the command is simple. It's just you write set path equal to, now you paste what you copied, you paste and you add semicolon. So the path has been set temporary. So if you write Java C version, you will see Java C 1.8.0.171, but this is not permanent, it's just temporary. If you close your command prompt and open it again, when you write Java C version, again you get the same message. Java C is not recognized. Why? Because the path has been set but temporary. So I'm going to show you how to set the path permanently. Okay, go to your file explorer, and this PC, just right click, properties, advanced system setting, you click environment variable, you click, you will see here new variable name, we say path, variable value we paste what we copied, and okay. Now the path has been set permanently. If you open your command prompt, wait, I will show you. If you open your command prompt and write Java C version, you see it's recognized. Even if you close and open it for the second time, you write Java C version, it's still recognized. The path has been set permanently. So thank you guys for watching this video. Just stay connected, as there will be more videos and more concept will be explained on this. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much.